To navigate its user interface, SolidWorks comes equipped with mouse gestures. You can access them by holding right-click and dragging your mouse. And these will let you move to different commands, different views, whatever you have them set up for. They can be customized by right-clicking on the Command Manager, clicking Customize, going to the Mouse Gestures tab. We see that we have a different set of gestures for in the part assembly, drawing, and sketch environments. We can customize the number of gestures available. We'll up this to 8 in this case, and here we can see extra commands are added. We can also go and add commands to this by searching for them and dragging and dropping it onto the section we would like. Let's try adding the Extrude command onto this. I'll just drag and drop that onto there. Now I can access my Extrude command just by right-clicking and dragging, and it will create the sketch first, and when I exit the sketch, the Extrude will be created. As you can see, mouse gestures can be used to increase productivity by letting you access the commands you use most frequently very easily.